Hi friends, this is Ideon. Some of you might wanted to do a little doodling in your Bujo, but the emojis you get online is too complicated to try. Today I will share 25 simple ghost emoji design and get a decorative spread like this. Let's get started. We draw a flipped U shape and draw a small W at the bottom to close the gap. Then we draw two eyes and a mouth. We draw another resting ghost and an angry ghost. Adding the tears below the eyes to make it a crying, sad ghost. We change the shape a little to make it look at right hand side. This is a surprised ghost. Then a ghost who is eating watermelon.